4K. 4K for 4K. 4K upload, 4K recording, 4K, 4K. 4K, it's simple. 4K to 4K resolutions, 4K displays, 4K TVs. 4K or 4K TVs, and of course we did some 4K TVs. I'll actually leave some of my favorite 4K and 4K. What can you actually watch on these 4K TVs? 4K cameras, 4K action cams. The new 4K and 4K can shoot 4K and 4K are being shot in 4K. 4K cameras, 4K and 4K if you want to check it out. 4K and 4K. 4K. I feel like I've said 4K a lot in this video. 4K. You're gonna see 4K, the 4K crispy 4K. 4K is here to stay. Peace.